Okay, this one's for Gabby.
Dreams that you dare to